Boom, what's up you guys? I've said it before, I'll say it again, and if you play the video back slowly, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. The guy's driving away, he gets attacked, and then he continues driving away. What happens, and I'm saying this because it's riot season right now in the US, there's gonna be riots all over the United States, well-funded events, man, but there's a crucial thing that happens that we can all learn from in this attack, and that's the reality that when the vehicle slows down or stops moving is when the attacker is able to launch his attack. So vehicles, when they're moving, are amazing means of escape, protection, provision for escape, all these things. But when they stop moving, they become coffins very quickly, whether it's bullets, whether it's crowds, whatever it may be. So if you're in a vehicle and you run into a person or a group of people or a riot, I just want to make this video to remind you, keep your vehicle moving at all costs. If you could lose your life, if you're in a position where the mob is much stronger, much more, much all those other things than you, and you do not risk your life. If you stop because you're afraid of running someone over, you are risking your life. So make sure if the people in your vehicle and you yourself are in a position where you're in fear for your life, because you can tell there's a mob there that I can't control, that I don't know, that seems to be peacefully protesting with burning cars everywhere, my advice to you is don't stop your car. Do whatever you have to do to get home and articulate that you're in fear for your life. And if you do get your car disabled by the peaceful protesters, because they do throw Molotov cocktails, and they do light cars on fire and stop vehicles while they're peacefully protesting. If that does happen, remember, before you get out of your vehicle while they're peacefully protesting and breaking your glass, look at your next known safe location, get your people, and do not stop. Fight your way to the next known safe location, which should be a location with lots of people who are maybe not participating or outside the realm of the crowd. But do not stop your vehicle for anything if you're in one of these, if you have the wrong bumper stickers on or whatever, because remember, these people are all about love and acceptance. So some dangerous people. I just want to remind you, because the people that fall victim to these types of things are the good people that don't want to hurt people, that don't want to run someone over, that don't want to cause any problems. You're the people that generally stop and get beaten to death or half to death in the middle of the streets by the peaceful protesters. So this is just a reminder. All right. And in the meantime, improve your plan, improve your position, pray, buy bullets, and come train with us at protectornation.com, where we have over 70 hours of online content designed to train you on all things like this video just did, taught by many of the world's most elite instructors on various topics. Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.